Has dismissed an application filed by the CEO of the defunct Men's Gold Ghana Limited, Nana Mensah, popularly known as NAM1, seeking to halt his criminal trial pending the determination of his appeal. The court has also fixed January 14, 2026 to rule on an application by the Attorney General invoking the court's review jurisdiction in relation to earlier disclosure directives issued by the Apex Court. There's more in the following report.
Nana Mensah filed the latest application after losing his bid at the Court of Appeal to stop the ongoing criminal trial. He had asked the appellate court to stay proceedings while he challenged the High Court's decision requiring him to open his defense. When the Court of Appeal dismissed the application, NAM1 proceeded to the Supreme Court seeking a review of the decision and a stay of proceedings until the appeal was determined. The Supreme Court, however, dismissed the application. In a related development, the Supreme Court will on January 14, 2026, deliver its ruling on a request by the Deputy Attorney General seeking a review of aspects of the court's earlier decision in a case involving former National Signals Bureau boss Kwabena Duboahen and his wife, who were on trial for stealing, money laundering, and using public office for private gain. The couple had earlier applied to the Supreme Court to prohibit the High Court judge presiding over the trial, but the application was dismissed. In that ruling, however, the Supreme Court revised a key portion of the practice direction on further disclosures, holding that prosecutors are required to disclose materials in their possession that are connected to the case, rather than materials in their possession that are relevant, as originally stated. At the High Court, Odame Dakwa, a former board member of the Ghana Infrastructure Investment Fund and a prosecution witness, has been ordered to retrieve, verify and produce 16 emails at the next agenda date in a SkyTrain trial. Nana Mensah is expected to go back to the High Court and open his defense in the criminal trial he is facing with respect to his company, Men's Gold Ghana Limited. The Supreme Court on January 14, 2026 will deliver a ruling on the role relevance will play in disclosures in criminal trial. Cross-examination continued in the SkyTrain case. Reporting for Channel One News, Hansen Ajeman.